Hi guys, so today is the 4th of July and we've got pretty crappy weather today. We were hoping we would be able to go to the lake and spend the day out there, but it's like 50 degrees outside and looks like we're gonna have thunderstorms and rain. So instead we're gonna spend the day in the shop and we're gonna build another swing like this. We built this a few months ago, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a year ago, maybe less, I don't remember, but we really love it, and so we're gonna build another one to hang over here, and eventually we'll have a third one because we all really enjoy spending time out here and looking at our beautiful views we have here. So that's our plan for today, and later we'll go see the fireworks in town. So here we go.
Alright, so to get started, we're going to cut all these pieces of 1-inch square tubing up to make the frame of this swing. It's just 1-inch square tubing, 1/8-inch wall, except for this piece. We're short on the 1/8-inch wall stuff. This is a scrap piece, it's all rusty. We're going to have to clean this up, but we'll use this for the armrest since it's thinner, a little bit thinner stuff.
We gonna ride till we fall. They say we got no future at all. They wanna keep us out, can't hold us down anymore. We gonna ride till we fall. When we hit the bottom, nothing gonna stop us. Climb to the top with you.
So I'll show you what I'm doing here. I didn't quite have enough 1-inch square tubing for all of our pieces for the frame, so I'm having to weld a couple pieces together to make one more 20-inch piece. Just got to weld this joint right here. It has a little bigger gap than I wanted, but I cut it just a touch short, but I can fill that.
Yeah, I could be talking to you. They tryna hate, but we won't change anything at all. Oh, we gonna rise till we fall. They think we just dropped out, living at our mom's house. Parents must be so proud, they know it all. No, they don't speak our language, they say we're too savage.
Alright, that should be good enough. Turned out nice and straight. I think once this is all painted, I don't think you'll hardly be able to tell that those pieces were welded together. Got a couple low spots there, but whatever. Alright, I'm gonna get this frame welded together now so we can take a measurement and get some expanded metal cut out for the inserts.
We don't give up anymore. We're gonna rise till we fall. We're gonna rise till we fall. They don't speak our language, they say we're too savage. No, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna rise. We're gonna rise.
Alright, it's a new day in the shop. We didn't get done with this project the other day on the 4th. Picking up where I left off, I got to get the expanded metal cut out for the bottom cushion and for the backrest here. This one is going to be just a little bit different than the other one that we built. I made the back just about 3 inches taller. That way the cushion actually sets back into the backrest. On the other one, it actually sticks up past the top of this back rail right here. And I'd like it to sit, kind of be inlaid so it kind of locks the cushion in place. So other than that, it should be pretty much identical. So I'm gonna get the expanded metal cut out and get it welded in there.
Nowhere. But what they don't know is we don't care. We're gonna keep it on going till we can't go no more. We're gonna rise till we fall. Yeah. When we hit the bottom, nothing gonna stop us. Climb to the top, you know. We could be the greatest ones who never made it. Yeah, I could be talking to you. They tryna hate, but we won't change anything at all. We gonna rise till we fall.
the expanded metal welded onto this. I'm going to use 3/4 inch sucker rod. I've already cut a couple of these to length. This is going to go on the front here, one on the front here for a cross member where the chains are going to hook into this swing, and then one on the back side of the backrest, right about in the middle somewhere. Now I'll have holes drilled in these, and we'll have a chain coming. I don't know if Chelsea showed you on the other one, but there's a chain that goes to the front edge of the swing and right in the middle of the back where that sucker rod sticks out right here, kind of in a V shape. So anyways, I gotta get the holes drilled in these and get them welded on.
We're gonna ride till we fall. We're gonna ride till we fall. They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. No, we don't give up anymore. We're gonna ride. We're gonna ride.
All I got left is the armrest. This is that rusty piece. I had to clean all the rust off of it. It's a little pitted, but good enough for what we're building here. So get these welded on, and then I'll be ready for some paint. Let it sit overnight and hang it up tomorrow. I got an assortment of partial cans of semi-gloss black, and I think this one's actually flat black. Doesn't say. These ones are semi-gloss, so I think I'm going to start with this one for my base coat. It's paint and primer in one. All these are paint and primer in one, but I'll use this one up first, and then I'll finish it off with these. I'm hoping that these 3 are enough to get 2 or 3 coats on this thing, so we'll see. All right, it's Saturday. I got another coat of paint on that last night. It's all dried and finished. Turned out pretty good. I also made these brackets yesterday. Just a 1/4 inch plate. I heated them up and bent them around a piece of, or a 2x6 board in the vise. That way it contours to that rim joist there pretty well. Welded a 3/4 inch nut on the bottom of it. Here, I'll show you the other one. It's down here. It's a little easier. Here's what they look like. So that's what the swing will hang off of. It's plenty, probably overkill for how much weight's going to be on this, but we're going to get this other one bolted up right there, and get the swing hung up. So. All right, we got it up. Levi's trying it out. What do you think, bud?
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. I think it's just right.
Cool. All right, we're just waiting on the cushions. Those are actually the cushions for that swing. Chelsea ordered the new ones for this one the other day. They've got squared off corners instead of rounded corners, but that's because we couldn't find the exact same cushions as that. So, oh, Levi, go grab, here, stop. Go grab the square caps.
Oh.
Go grab 2 of those caps. We got to plug those holes yet.
Okay.
And then we're done. We'll get those in there and then call it a day. Thanks for watching.